Paano ka? Na paano ayat ko? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hello!
Salita ka.
Teacher!
Ano masasabi mo kay Teacher Ivy?
I love you, Teacher Ivy!
I love you too.
One more time!
Maging good boy ka na, Wai.
Did you yan, Teach?
Opo.
And one more time. That's it. And one more time. And one more time.
Paano ka?
One more time.
Anong sasabihin mo sa akin? Anong sasabihin mo sa akin, Wai?
Oh, yeah. I love you. I love you.
Hmm?
Love you.
I love you lang? Good boy ka na.
Okay, okay, okay.
Oh, sit down ka na dyan. Okay, dyan. Ano masasabi mo kay Teacher Ivy?
I love you, Teacher Ivy. I love
Ito.
I love you, Teacher Ivy.
Hello,
Hello, Teacher. I love you.
I love you too. Na paano ka lagi, Wai?
And one more time.
Ah, anong sasabihin mo kay Teacher Ivy?
I love you, Teacher Ivy.
Bakit ka
Ah,
nakatingin dito? Oh, anong sasabihin mo sa akin?
I love you, Teacher Ivy.
Wala, I love you too. Oh,
I love you, Teacher Ivy.
I love you too. Oh, Mikael, mag-aral ka na mabuti ha?
Uh-uh.
Opo, ikaw din.